in the Northwest Desert. How hard is it? First, machines must cooperate. To nearly 200 meters long to lift the turbine. Second, loaders can't even pull them. How do we overcome this? We'll show you the installation of a super windmill. In the last video, can't go on the highway. Why it can't use highways? Look here, guys. The main reason is its width. The width is 3.6 meters. Hit the road on its own. A staggering 7.5 meters. During site transfers. We start assembling the 6-section boom and 80 tons. With their great teamwork, we quickly inserted the boom. We prepare for positioning. We must measure the span clearly. It's about 30 meters. Look at these 4,000-ton outriggers. Grabbing the ground firmly. Outriggers extended. To put on its shoes. Never thought a 500-ton crane would lift shoes. Guys. Truly unexpected. The outriggers are set. Look, the 500-ton outrigger and the 4,000-ton one. The 4,000-ton is way bigger. At this point, crane is 2/3 unlocked. Next, now we install the counterweights. All of it, but the site is too small. Not all counterweights arrived. Then prep the superlift. These two weights look small, but are actually very heavy. How much weight is on? Now it's about 90 tons. That loose? After adding some weights, each superlift is about 25 tons. Adding more weight to the 4,000-ton crane. Superlift installed. This is the inspector. He is an ordinary worker, responsible and dedicated. All pipes and lines are connected. To unlock the next form, the main crane is mostly assembled. Now we assemble the jib. What is a jib, guys? It can extend up to 124 meters. This way, reaches a staggering 205 meters. At 190 meters high, it lifts 180 tons. Truly a great national asset, guys. We might work overtime tonight. The jib is only at the 3rd section. We plan to reach 76 meters tonight. Because at 76 meters, it's used for the superlift, extending beyond 76 meters. to connect forward. We'll add 2 more sections and clock out. And the 80-ton catches it. Labor is glorious, right guys? Next day at the site. To connect the 4,000-ton super wheels. Can reach 205 meters long and lift 180 tons. To pull the boom up there. Wheels attached. Our 500-ton, ready to set up. Super wheels are connected. After both small cranes are ready. To guide the small elevator installation. Do you want to try it? The 160-ton is set up. It needs to pack up and reposition for the 4,000-ton crane. Wow! The ground is level. Has great skills. Otherwise, it'd be a joke. The loader came up and leveled it for the 160. To secure our boom, the 500-ton continues connecting forward. Before we know it, boom is connected to the end. Basically done. Final form is coming. That side is all done. Now wiring it up. Then we'll thread the cable. Just hold it. This hook is too tall. Standing in front of the hook. Now seeing our 4,000-ton 100-meter boom. It will contribute greatly to the Northwest. To lift one hook together is as thick as an arm. Everything is ready, but the sandstorm hit. What's going on, guys? Looks like a sandstorm. So much dust. We plan to lift the boom tonight, but the wind is too strong. Wind is too strong. The wind is too strong today, guys. We'll lower the boom first and check it again. Because we said. Hard to see clearly anyway. Second is let's lower the boom and check. Since we don't know what happened last night, if it's fine, we'll lift it again. Bro, wind strong, safe to lift? No problem. Check the wind, it's pushing hard. Wang said if we force it, it's hard to work. Later we will rush. Once the wind dies down, we prepare to extend the 81-meter main boom. Let me tell you, the heaviest piece we lift is about 150 tons. This weight Meanwhile, the 4,000-ton starts lifting. Already at the yard, because the mountain road is tough. Just a few kilometers, or even longer. First, we assemble the heavy generator unit into the nacelle. More than half the nacelle's weight. Wow. We lift a small piece to test. If okay, we'll lift big pieces. Mealtime. A brief break for workers. We all eat the same food. Tastes okay, right? You. Yeah? Oh well. As long as there's meat. Let me introduce this turbine's model. It's a 6.25 megawatt turbine. At full load, this 6,250 kilowatts turbine. You might wonder, does clean energy generate much? When you hear this number, aren't you amazed? This turbine's height consists of concrete and steel towers, 155 meters concrete base plus a steel section. Workers are in position, waiting for them to bolt it up there. Then we'll lift the nacelle. Working overtime tonight? No need. What's the capacity of this sling? 80 tons. Requires 2 people. Let's lower it a bit. It's too high. Bolts tightened, hook lowered. Nacelle is hooked. Then the wind picked up. Been blowing for over 2 hours. Wind hasn't stopped. The wind is relentless. Truly relentless. Look at the weather. The wind keeps blowing. Let's call it a day. We'll check if we can lift tomorrow. Hurry and brush. Okay. These high-strength bolts under the nacelle. Bearing hundreds of tons, this massive turbine high up. Its stability relies completely on them. The 150-ton nacelle. It takes 2 loaders to hold it. After the nacelle is installed, the with the 160-ton crane. Once secured, look at this weather, guys. Feels like a storm is coming, right? Luckily, this hub is only 50 tons. Quite light, or we'd be in trouble. After lifting the hub, workers slowly secure it up there. Meanwhile, the blade from this morning has arrived at the site. Next step is lifting this blade. Climbing this slope is not easy at all, and one pushing behind. Turning this corner. On the hilltop to guide, to avoid hitting the mountain, causing unnecessary damage. Hey, what's going on? Can't pull it up? The front loader's wheels aren't even spinning. Guys, the blade lifter had a minor glitch. Now it's fine, moving into position. The hub is already secured, unhooked, but night has fallen. We'll lift the blade tomorrow. Visibility is better during the day. The wind is still blowing. Still can't lift it. Day 4 on the mountain, we prep. The blade lifter parked incorrectly, but it's stuck. Probably because it's so heavy. It's not the blade that's heavy. If it wasn't heavy, it couldn't lift this 108-meter. Lifter in position, we unload. Delayed 2 days by the wind. We need to hurry up. Blade unloaded. We place it down. Bolts to high-strength ones. After replacing all bolts, for installation. Let me point out, our installation method here is lifting single blades and lifting the whole rotor. Each blade weighs about 35 tons. The nacelle's weight also excluded rigging. First blade docked, waiting for workers to tighten bolts inside. This takes 2 to 3 hours. Remotely releasing the lifting gear. Preparing to unload below. To the second blade's position. Loaders below ready the tag lines. Ready to assist the docking. Meanwhile, the third blade rushes to position, is to install all 3 blades. This lifter without loaders pulling Listen to this. Loudly. Second blade docked. We wait a bit. Might work late into the night. After the second blade, it's already late at night. No choice. Wind is calm now. Checked the weather. Tomorrow's wind is very strong. And good conditions. When the third blade went up, past midnight, workers at 170 meters high stayed up there all night. No matter the project, the workers are the unsung heroes, earning meager wages. I want to say thank you. Climbing is tough. No elevator, just climbing stairs. Are the world's most expensive, lifted by crane, is worth far more. Thank you for your hard work. Your sincerity and grit show what real hard work is. This 6.25 megawatts turbine is done. It will stand in the Gobi, powering millions of homes. From now on, of steel windmills. Wang. About this crane. Xiaofei, you've been here a while. What do you think? Saying this crane can't use highways. Stuff like that. Others are 10 or 11 axle. What's the benefit of our 9 axle? The 9 axle just means a short body. The outrigger span isn't short. Not short? They're 15 by 15 meters, so the span is wide. Its width of 3.6 meters is for mountain transfers, to maintain stability, just my opinion. Because of its width. And the large tires. Big tires. For mountain transfers, right? Too heavy. Even without the super lift. 400 tons? In transfer mode. Yes, 7.5 meters. Wide tires, wide body. This indeed provides great safety, right? Mainly stability. Larger ground contact. Does it have any flaws? Can't be all perfect. Hard to believe. Some ergonomic designs still need polishing. It needs real-world testing. Overcoming endless challenges. Now we dismantle and move. On to the next turbine. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time for more. Thank you all. Thanks again.